Thursday. Welcome. How you all doing? So we're at Highbury Park, we're at my usual spot, and I've made a fascinating grid with the sycamore kind of seeds. You know, the bits that make like a helicopter. It's in a nice geometry pattern, so I'm very happy with that. That's just the codes that come out through doing the grid work. I just let my higher self work through me, and these things come out. And it absolutely fascinates me every time when I see a new grid. So it looks like I'm working a lot more with codes. I'll be doing a lot of codes on my light language, doing some light language drawing as well. So I'll show you this grid, and we'll just do a couple of codes, light language codes, and then we'll head off. It's just a short video. I'm just going to show you the grid because it's a bit windy and I've got a feeling it'll blow away, but I just wanted to show because it's a bit of a code here. It reminds me of the flower of life. Very interesting. So I think it must be like a message to the crows. Wonderful, I love it. Let's see, just make that a bit equal. I think that's about it. So I am going to add some monkey nuts as well. But it's a healing grid. I've got some sesame seeds and also some mirrors as well. It's a healing grid, also protection. I've got the elderflower and sage flowers. That's for healing and protection as well. Wonderful. That's the grid. I love that. So I'm going to activate the grid before it blows away. I activate this grid for healing and protection of the crows. We're doing this grid in layers because I'm worried about the wind. But now we've got pyrite on, which is very protective again. Abundance as well, associated with abundance. So I've placed a pyrite on the mirrors, so that will amplify the energy. And also we've got my star in the centre. Put my crystals, and this is how we're leaving the grid. It's got the sesame seeds and nice diamond shaped. I'm very happy with that. So I've just added some more seeds. I've made it into like a diamond shape. Well, it's a bit skew if it's not perfect, but I'm loving the sycamore pattern. And we've also got a crow that's interested, that's come to see. So that's the first positive. They're getting used to me. So that's the finished grid. Wonderful. So it's not perfectly straight, but it does its job, and I still think it looks effective even though it's not perfectly straight. Beautiful. Tia ama ushkine irma ukia. Tiki iyo utiti iya. Takaru kukushki. Nekiro como ushkira kutiro como o. Tiki iro kushki kia. Takaru kuku. Ikia haramo ush. Tikia atatoto iru umo ishkia. Neki iya. Tokiro kuku ashkukia. Atatu takora kia ha. Tikia ama ushkia. Tuku tuti iru kushki iya maa. Tuku ko iya. Tikia atatu ushki kia. Nehermo ushki tiru kush. Nehermo ushkira como a. Tikia ma ukuya a. Tikia a. Tuku I irmo ush. Tirmo ushkia. Takaru como iru mo ush. Iru ukuki ki iru kuku. Taka atutu o. I irmo ore. Irmo ore. Irmo ore. Namaste. So just a few codes, lightbody tune up, and that's our work done for today. So thank you for joining me. Namaste. See you all soon.